Welcome to Techno Analyst. Today we will see how to install Windows Server 2022 in VMware. So first of all, what I will do, I will click on create a new virtual machine. Here I will select typical, select next. Here I will select I will install the operating system later. Click on next. Here I will select first of all you have to select over here Microsoft Windows. In Microsoft Windows you have to select latest one. I don't have Microsoft Server 2022, so I will choose Microsoft Server 2019. Click next. Here you can select the path and virtual system operating system name. So its name we will give 2022. Click on next. 60 GB. Next, from here you can customize the hardware. You can increase the space. You can add one network card. Like here, you want your VMware system should be connected to your desktop. So you have to choose a bridge connection. Click close, finish. One more thing which I want to show you, just edit to virtual machine and select the ISO file from here. Select use ISO image file, click on browse. You can select ISO file over here. Click OK. Now we will run the virtual machine. Click enter. Control plus Alt to release the mouse cursor. Here I just wanted to give name DC. DC is data center. We will install the data center. Let me select a full screen mode. Here select the language, English. Select United States as default. From here you can repair your Windows. Like if you are not boot with your system, you can repair it from here. Like you can use SFE scan now command and you can troubleshoot or replace your system corrupt file with help of that command. Just click now install now. I will skip a little bit the processing part because it will take a time. So in the 2022 you can see one new option which is Azure Stack. I will show you this thing in different video. Right now we will install Server 2022 data center. Click next. Click accept the license terms and condition. Click custom install. Here you can click on new, click on apply, OK. Format once. Click on next. Your installation is started. I will skip this part and I will directly take you to the finishing step. So after finalization of installation, I will show you which screen will appear first. City starting. It's prompt for the product key. You can just click on to this later. Now it will prompt for the password. Just mention the administrator password. The password, it should be as per the password policy. So make sure that you will enter the digit and digit, capital letter, small letter, and numbers and special character and everything. Click on finish. Now it prompts for the and control or delete. You type your password. Our profile is updating. In personalize, click on themes and scroll down, and you can see desktop icon setting. Here you can select the icons whichever you want on your deck. Just right click on my computer, click on here. You can see the description, that RAM, processor, device ID, system ID, and device name. You can change the system name from here. Plus you can see the information related to operating system like Windows Server 2022 data center, install date, OS build 169 is the version. You can change the product key over here. Just click over here and you can type change product key. Here you can mention the product key if you have.